The nerves and excitement and tension for a commentator, I can tell you, not any less than these athletes are feeling at the moment. They are ready.
Set.
And off. Good start. Ball comes forward. He's just from the accelerator. Use it. Makes it look easy. Makes it down.
He's the fastest man in the world. He's a born Jamaican. What make we run so fast? Is it the food and the good vibes we have down here? What make we run so fast? Yes, this morning we got another
God gave us feet to see the world. What else do we need, man? Go for it.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
I always tell them, if they want to be faster, they should chase harder towards their dreams.
When I run, I know that Jamaica is with me.
It's the sports, it's the music, it's that love that the people have. We're clean up, but we tell our.